wow, that's pretty rad. The first thing you need to do if you're making a P.E.I. dirt shirt is dip it into some fresh ocean water. There we go. The next ingredient you can find pretty much anywhere here on this island, the red dirt. You take your shirt, lay it in the dirt. Now what you do is start from the center and start twisting clockwise. There you go. That'll pick up some of the dirt in the shirt until you got it into a nice ball. Then you have 3 elastics. So take some hair elastics like so, wrap it around, turn it upside down. Oh, that is dirty. Don't want to get the car dirty, so I'm going to put it in this clear bag. Okay, now it's time for the big reveal. I've let it soak for a bit in the dirt, and we're going to see what this dirt shirt turns out like. So here we go. I'll pick up these elastics after, and oh, still some dirt flying off it. And wow, that's pretty rad. Look at that. That is one sweet dirt shirt.
Be sure to leave it hanging to dry for a day and then rinse it out thoroughly before washing with cold water before you put it into your dryer.